to Let's Get Science with Sir Z here on Teach, Train, Transform. And this episode is for the grade 4 science learner under the first quarter. And our topic for today is supposedly week 5 pero baka ibang week schedule sa inyo. But the title is Changes in Materials when Mixed with Other Materials. This is based on our DepEd MELC guide with the code S4MT-Ig-h number 6. And of course, galing din po ito or base ito sa pivot module ng Calabarzon which is available sa DepEd Commons. So, sa pivot module, ang title niya ay Separating Mixtures Through Evaporation on page 22. But before we proceed, let's do an overview para laging fresh ang ating memory pagdating sa topic ng matter under the first quarter. And let's start by defining what is matter. Matter can be solid class like rocks, wood, metal, and anything na pwede nating hawakan because it has mass. It can be also in the liquid form like water, form na umaagos. And it can be like a gas like vapor, steam, clouds, or invisible gases na hindi natin nakikita. Generally, ang definition ng matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Pag sinabing occupy space, ay kumukuha siya ng espasyo at yun ay dahil meron siyang mass. Ang mass, ang ibig sabihin ay yung kung ilan ang laman niya. Meron siyang mga molecules sa loob. Some objects ay siksik sa molecules. Some objects naman ay maluluwag or konti lang talaga ang molecules. Ang matter ay down to the molecular, atomic, and subatomic particle sizes. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang ito yung nakikita natin, pati yung hindi natin nakikita, as long as meron siyang molecules at kumukuha siya ng espasyo, siya ay basically matter, okay? But technically, yung subatomic at saka atomic, hindi na yata kinukonsider yung matter kasi yung matter or yung mass ay binubuo ng mga molecules, di ba? Yung solid, liquid, gas ay binubuo ng mga molecules. And for this particular topic, we have different types or two classifications or categories of matter. May dalawang uri ng matter class. At yung dalawang uri na yon ay yung pure substance at saka yung mixture. Pure substance are yung mga organic na natural na nasa environment natin. Ibig sabihin, existing na sila bago pa man sila na-discover ng tao. Mixture naman are yung mga visible things or mga nakikita nating bagay na naghahalo-halo. So basically, dun sa pure substance, pwedeng nakikita siya or pwedeng hindi kasi natural substances siya sa ating environment. Okay? So, sa pure substance, meron tayong dalawang uri, elements and compounds. Yung elements ay matutunan nyo pag ang topic na sa science ay yung table of elements. Ito yung mga purong elements or substances na nandiyan sa ating paligid. Ang compounds naman ay kombinasyon ng iba't ibang elements pero dahil puro pa rin siya, natural pa rin siya, it is still under pure substance. Pero dito tayo po focus sa mixture because sa mixture, it is divided into two types. Meron tayong dalawang klase ng mixture. Meron tayong homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So basically, magfo-focus tayo sa mixture at yung dalawang uri ng mixture for this tutorial or this discussion. So let's discover together this topic for the day or in this video. Mixture, ang definition niya class is a combination of two or more different substances or materials. Ibig sabihin, kailangan higit sa isa at dapat magkakaiba. Kasi kahit higit sa isa kung pare-parehas namang mga substances yun, uri ng substance, pati characteristics and properties, hindi siya mixture kasi sila pa rin yun. Pero kapag iba-iba sila, pwedeng pare-parehas ng uri ng substance pero may iba't magkakaibang characteristics katulad ng kulay, sizes, it can be considered as a mixture. It is also says here that product of random distribution of one substance to another without chemical reaction. Take note, without chemical reaction. So, ibig sabihin, ang mixture ay physical combination or physical reaction lang ang nangyayari. Actually, walang reaction pala. Physical combination. Even though, for example, maganda ang pagkakahalo na parang talagang naging isa na lang siya or naging isa na lang ang itsura niya, physical na combination pa rin yun. Nagkataon lang na na-breakdown siya into the sizes of molecules at naging maganda ang pagkakahalo. Pero still, walang chemical reaction. Sila pa rin yun. Hindi nga lang natin nakikita doon sa mismong pagkakahalo. So, pagdating sa mixture, walang chemical reaction na nangyayari. It can be separated using a variety of techniques. Kasi nga, physical lang sila naghalo, so posible pa rin silang paghiwalayin. Depende sa properties nila para alam mo or malaman mo kung anong technique ang gagamitin para sila ay paghiwalayin. And it can be classified based on the appearance of the resulting mixture. Diba nga sa umpisa sabi natin may dalawang uri ng mixture. So yung dalawang uri na yon kinaklasify natin base sa magiging itsura ng resultang mixture. So let's go ahead and talk about yung classification nga ng mixture. So the mixture is classified based on the appearance or yung itsura at meron tayong dalawang uri which is the homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture. Doon sa homogeneous mixture, sabi dito, parts are equally dispersed and cannot be distinguished. Ibig sabihin, pantay at maganda ang pagkakahalo, kaya yung mga parts na hinalo mo ay hindi mo na makilala kasi nagmukha na siyang iisa. The resulting mixture look the same all throughout. Kaya nga sabi ko, mukha na siyang iisa kahit na ang dami mong nilagay dyan at ang dami mong ihinalo. Ang other term ng homogeneous mixture is uniform mixture. Uniform, ibig sabihin, pare-parehas, pantay-pantay. Yun ang homogeneous mixture. Examples ng homogeneous mixtures are, we have the air. Air, you know, is gas, di ba? In the form of gas. And it's a combination of many different elements, gaseous elements. But as a mixture, it is air and also clouds, of course. Soft drinks is another example of homogeneous mixture kasi ang soft drinks is a combination of water, carbon dioxide, and flavoring, and so on. Pero pag tinignan mong soft drinks, mukha siyang iisa. Hindi mo makita kung nasaan yung ganito or yung ganyan na ihinalo mo. We also have coffee because even though meron yung sugar, water, milk sometimes or creamer, hindi mo nakikita itong mga ito kapag naging mixture na siya. Mukha na siyang iisang substance lang. And we also have vinegar because vinegar is combination of many different substances. Kasama na yung flavoring dyan at saka yung acid, of course. And we also have cement. So cement naman is an example of solid homogeneous mixture. So these are some of the examples of homogeneous mixtures. We got an example na gas form, meron tayong examples na liquid form, at meron tayong example ng solid form. But there are many other homogeneous mixtures. As long as mukha siyang iisa, it is a homogeneous mixture. Now we go to heterogeneous mixture. Sabi dito, some or all parts can be easily identified or distinguished. Ibig sabihin ng class, merong ilan or lahat ng parte na hinalo mo, yung iba't ibang bagay na hinalo mo, ay nakikita mo pa, nakikilala mo pa. Physical properties of the materials do not change. Hindi nagbabago yung physical na properties katulad ng sizes, shapes, colors, kung ano yung size nila, shape nila, colors nila, pag nilagay mo, pwede namang magbago kapag syempre nahiwa or whatever na nangyari yung physical, pero nakikita mo pa rin sila, di ba? Also called, ang tawag naman dito ay non-uniform mixture. Isa pang tawag sa heterogeneous mixture ay non-uniform mixture kasi nga hindi pare-parehas, hindi pantay-pantay, nakikita pa rin. And some of the examples of heterogeneous mixtures are one of our favorite here in the Philippines, halo-halo. Kasi nakikita mo pa yung mga iba't ibang bagay na nilagay mo doon. We also have an example of salad. Kasi yung salad, katulad na nakikita nyo sa picture, nakikita nyo pa rin yung iba't ibang bagay na nakahalo doon sa mixture ng salad. And also we have mixed nuts. It's a combination of different nuts and they are still visible kung sino yung peanuts, sino yung other types of nuts, nakikita pa rin natin. And we got pizza, one of our favorites, lalong-lalo na ako. Kahit na naging isa na siyang mixture, nakikita pa rin natin yung iba't ibang bagay na nilagay doon. Although there are some na talagang naihalo na, but still, as a whole na pizza, nakikita pa rin natin yung iba't ibang bagay na inilagay. And the last one is milk, na siguro may magtataka, bakit ang milk ay kasama sa heterogeneous mixture? Yes, oo, technically, pag tiningnan mo siya, mukha siyang iisa. But actually, it is a combination of immiscible substances. Meron dyan kasing oil. Merong oil yan na later on hihiwalay. Kaya makikita mo pa rin na merong isang part na ganito sa baba at merong isang part sa taas. Kung natural ang gatas. Kahit i-research natin siya, milk is considered heterogeneous mixture even though sa mata natin, it looks like a homogeneous mixture. So these are some of the examples of heterogeneous mixture. We got halo-halo, salad, mixed nuts, pizza, and milk. And just like homogeneous mixture, tulad ng homogeneous mixture, marami pang ibang mga heterogeneous mixture sa paligid natin. Basta nakikita pa natin yung ilan or lahat ng parts ihinalo, that is considered a heterogeneous mixture. So now, ganun lang kasimple ang ating topic. We learned about mixture, what it is, the properties, the characteristics, at natutunan din natin yung dalawang uri ng mixture, which is the homogeneous mixture na mukhang iisa at heterogeneous mixture na meron ka pang nakikitang parts na ihinalo. So now let us apply what we have learned. Let's practice what we have learned. So for this activity, we will identify the following mixtures and we will answer with the letter HM if the mixture is homogeneous or HT if it is heterogeneous. So we got number 1, palay and pebbles. Pebbles class ay yung mga maliliit na magagandang bato sa mga water bodies or sa mga gilid ng water bodies na kinokolekta at ginagamit nating pang dekorasyon. Number 2 is milk and cornstarch. Ano yung cornstarch? Yung gawgaw. Number 3 is corn hair or buhok ng mais. And black human hair, which is buhok ng tao. Number 4 is stone and clay soil. Number 5, petals and leaves. Petals is the colored part ng flower. Right? Yung leaves naman yung dahon. Number 6 is white pepper powder and flour. White pepper powder, yung pamintang pinong-pino na kulay puti. And flour ay yung harina. Number 7 is mango seeds and sitaw seeds. Number 8, flour and baby powder or yung pulbos. Number 9 is thumbtacks and pins. And number 10, rice grains or bigas and pebbles or yung mga magagandang bato na kinokolekta natin mula sa water bodies. So we got a timer here. I'm just going to set this for 30 seconds and I will wait for your answers. And I just realized that this is a recorded video and not a live stream. So for example, tapos na yung 30 seconds at nasagutan mo na, let's see what are the correct answers and I will explain why. So the correct answers are this one. Number 1 is HT or heterogeneous mixture kasi madali mong makita yung palay at yung mga bato Number 2 is milk and cornstarch. Homogeneous mixture siya kasi pag pinaghalo mo ang gatas at yung cornstarch, either kung milk na liquid or milk na powder, pag pinaghalo mo ay nagmumukha na siyang iisa. So homogeneous. Corn hair and black hair ng tao, hetero kasi makikita mo kung nasaan yung buhok ng corn at yung buhok ng tao. Ganon din sa stone and clay sa number 4. Number 5, petals and leaves. Ganun din, nakikita mo pa rin kung sino yung petals, sino yung leaves. Sa number 6, dahil yung white pepper powder ay halos katulad ng harina, homogeneous mixture siya. 7 naman, munggo seeds and sitaw seeds, heterogeneous mixture kasi nakikita mo kung sino si munggo at kung sino si sitaw. Number 8, flour and baby powder or pulbos is homogeneous kasi pag pinaghalo mo, hindi mo na makita kung sino si flour at hindi mo na makita si baby powder. Number 9, thumbtacks and pins, of course, is a heterogeneous mixture kasi nakikilala mo pa kung sino si thumbtacks and pins at ganun din sa number 10 na pinaghalong bigas at mga maliliit na bato. So if you were able to answer this correctly, very good. Pag hindi pa, it's okay. Just continue studying the lesson until na-master mo na ang lesson na ito or yung topic na ito. And then we got activity number 2. Sabi sa direction, answer with CM if the solid materials are thoroughly mixed or talagang tuluyang naghalo para maging homogeneous with the liquid materials. So liquid and solid ito or liquid and liquid. Or NCM naman if not, kapag hindi maganda ang kanilang pagkakahalo or hindi sila naghalo. So number 1, we got oil and butter. Number 2, calamansi juice and sugar. Number 3, soy sauce and rice. 4, water and vetsin. Number 5, alcohol and black pepper. So yung black pepper, yung paminta na alam na natin. Number 6 is salt and vinegar. 7, onion and soy sauce. 8, soft drinks and bread. 9, evaporated milk and sugar. And number 10, yung kerosene and yung leaves. Yung kerosene class ay gaas sa Tagalog. Ginagamit sa lampara. Just like what we did earlier, I will play the timer. Konti lang kasi recorded naman ito. And then we will check the answer. So here is the timer. So assuming natapos na yung timer, teachers, don't worry. I will provide the PowerPoint din dito sa description below and you are free to download and use my PowerPoint sa inyong lugar. Alright, so the correct answers are this one. Number 1 and 2 parehas na CM or completely mixed. So ibig sabihin, tuluyan silang naghalo, magandang pagkakahalo. Sa number 3, it's not completely mixed or NCM kasi syempre naman nakikita mo pa rin yung kanin kahit na nilagyan mo ng soy sauce. Number 4 ay completely mixed or CM kaya water and vetsin kasi magkamukha sila. Alcohol and black pepper of course is not completely mixed kasi nga may solid na hindi matutunaw ng alcohol agad kaya nakikita mo pa si black pepper. 6 is completely mixed. Number 7, onion and soy sauce is not completely mixed. Ganon din si number 8, si soft drinks at saka yung tinapay. Completely mixed or maganda ang pagkakahalo sa number 9 because it's evaporated milk na hinaluan ng sugar. Magiging magandang mixture yon. At kerosene and leaves, of course, not completely mixed kasi nga nakikita mo pa rin si leaves kahit na binuhusan mo ng kerosene. So class, if you were able to answer all this correctly, very good. That means na naintindihan mo talaga ang ating topic. Napakasimple lang, di ba? Tatlo lang naman. Mixture, tapos yung dalawang uri ng mixture which is homogeneous and heterogeneous. Siyempre, yung completely mixed, homogeneous, tapos yung not completely mixed is heterogeneous. Very good. Congratulations. Ang gagaling ninyo. And there you go, class. This has been another amazing adventure with you in exploring and learning science. Grade for learners, just continue learning. It's not just about knowing the things na pangsagot sa module, but it's more about understanding everything that is happening in us and around us. Once again, this is Sir Z. Stay safe, everyone, and for the meantime, see you on the next video. Please don't forget pala to subscribe and hit a like to show the appreciation sa ating adventure today. Alright? So, for the meantime, class dismissed.